All right, third grade, this is lesson worksheet 120-2 for lesson 120. This is a little complicated, so if you need to come back and watch it again to understand, please do that. We are learning about factors today. So when you have a multiplication problem, the first number is called a factor. The second number is called a factor, and the answer is called the product. Aspen can tell you that this is going to come up a lot in third grade math or in fourth grade math. So it's called factor, and then the product. We are looking today to find out what factors each number has under the number 20. And we're also going to find out prime numbers. Not prime like Amazon Prime, but what prime numbers are. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through this whole thing, and if you need to, go back and watch it again. But this is going to make a difference as we go forward in your math classes for the rest of your life. So we're looking at factors, we're looking at products, and we're looking at prime numbers today. So in number 1, the only multiplication we can have is 1 times 1. So the factors are 1. Okay? Then for number 2, we can go 1 times 2. So our factors are 1 and 2. Our factors, the numbers in multiplication problems. These are all the products. These are all the answers. Okay? This will make more sense as we go along, so just bear with me. 1 times 3. So we have 1 and 3. Okay? Here's where it's going to get interesting. We have 1 times 4, and what else can make 4? 2 times 2. So our factors are 1, 2, and 4. Okay, let's go to 5. 1 times 5. Remember, these are answers to multiplication. So 2 plus 3 equals 5, but that doesn't mean it's a factor. That's not a number in a multiplication problem. So 1 and 5 are our factors. Multiplying to get 6. We have 1 and 6. We also have 2 times 3. So our factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 6. It's always a good idea to write them in numerical order. It just helps you stay organized. Okay? 7. 1 times 7. So our factors are 1 and 7. Okay, let's go to 8. 1 times 8. Do you notice a pattern? All of these numbers have a factor of 1 and themselves. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7. Sorry about that. 1, 8. We can also make 8 by going 2 times 4. So our factors are 1, 2, 4, and 8. Okay, 1 times 9. 3 times 3 make 9. So our factors are 1, 3, and 9. Going to 10. 1 times 10, 2 times 5. All even numbers are going to have 2 times something because those are our doubles. 1, 2, 5, 10. Okay, let's go to the bottom row. Remember, we're looking for factors. 1 times 11. No other numbers, so our factors are 1 and 11. 12. 1 times 12. 2 times 6. Any of the numbers? What if we go 1, 2, 3? Yep, 3 works. 3 times 4. So our fact, and 5 doesn't work, and then we're up to 6, which we already used. 1, 2, 3. Then you can go to the next column if you want, or next row. 4, 6, and 12. 13 times 1, 2, no, 3, no, 4, no, 5. So that's where we stop, is 1 and 13. 14, 1 times 14, 2 times 7. What about 3? Nope, not 4, not 5, not 6. So our factors are 1, 2, 7, and 14. Okay, 1 times 15. 2, nope, it's an odd number, but 3 times 5, 6, or 4, no, 5, yep. Okay, that's it. 1, 3, 5, 15. Okay, let's go to 6. 1 times 16. 2 times 8. What about 3? Nope. 4? Yeah, 4 times 4. So our factors are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. Remember, factors are the numbers we can plug in together to get the product, which is those top rows. Okay? 1 times 17, 2, no, 3, no, 4, no, 5, nope, 6, nope, 7, so that's it for 17. 1 times 18, 2 times 9, what about 3? Yeah, 3 times 6, not 4, not 5, and then we get the 6, so then that's where we go back up this other way, so we know we're done. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. And we're going to go 1 times 19, and that's it for that. And then 20, 1 times 20, 2 times 10, can't go by 3, we can go 4 times 5, and then we go 5, and then it's 10 and 20. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Okay, so now we have all the factors listed. Now we need to look for this prime. A prime number is a number that only has factors of 1 and the number itself. So if we look at 2, the only factors are 1 and 2, so it's a prime number. Or you could also say that it only has 2 factors, 1 in itself, because 1 only has 1, so that's not a prime number. But 1 and 3, that's a prime number. 4 has more than 2, 5 only has 2. And then from here, after 2, all the rest of even numbers aren't prime. They're called composite. So then we just have to look at odd numbers. 7 is only 2, so that's a prime number. 9 has 3, so that one's not prime. 11 is prime because it only has 2. Okay, that's even, so we keep going. 13 only has 2, 1 and 13. 15 is our next odd one, but it can be divisible by 5. 17, whoops, I forgot to write down here, I'm sorry. 1, 17, so that only has 2. And 19 only has 2, so that's a prime number 2. So again, our factors are the numbers it takes to get this as an answer to a multiplication problem, the product. Then to find a prime number, we find the ones that only have 2, and those are prime. This is confusing right now, but it will get easier the more we do it.